Do you want to know what tags YouTubers are using to gain more views? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to extract YouTube tags using MyFreshTools.com. First, go to MyFreshTools.com. I have given you the link in YouTube description. You can just click over there and you can explore all the tools over here. We have like around 50 plus tools. If you are very new to this page, you have to do a very basic sign up. You will be redirected to the main page. Over here you can just explore all other tools. Now we are going to see how to extract YouTube tag. So I'm just clicking on YouTube Tag Extractor. Over here we have to paste the URL. For that, go to youtube.com and you have to copy the URL of the video that you want the tags to be like extracted. For demo purpose, I'm just clicking this video. You have to copy the URL of this video and you have to paste it over here and click on extract tags. In seconds, your tags will be like extracted. As you can see, you can either copy the text or you can download the text as well. That's how easy it is. Do give it a try. I have given you the link in YouTube description as well. I hope you find this video helpful. I will see you guys in another interesting video. Bye.